Good morning guys. Pasensya na guys, ngayon lang naman ako nakapag-vlog guys. Ang aking sipin.
I know you're everything that I've been looking
Wala
for.
guys, kaya ngayon ko lang ako sipin ko.
I look into your eyes and
guys,
could not ask for
yan
more.
talaga guys. Talagang marang talaga guys.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on,
Tayo ulit guys.
I'm gonna need
Tayo guys.
a little time.
But if I ever fall in love again, sometime when this broken heart can mend,
Trabaho guys, kaya ulan.
I know it's gonna be with you. You're the
Ito guys, tamang silence muna na guys ng bahay at narami yung aming bahay. Wala si mama, ako lang ngayon guys mag-isa dito sa amin. Guys, pasensya na guys ha, talaga yan talaga ang buhay guys. Tayo mag-silence muna guys para ito guys mga palabas ko guys. Ang bilis guys. Ay. Wala. Maglabas, nagkasukas. So, yung pagsalos na magawa ng matanda na guys. Yung pag-inis ng bahay. Kaya lahat all around ako dahil sa trabaho. Ako lahat guys. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Guys, so, tamang masinis guys. Ay. Tapos guys. Yes guys. Thank you. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe and share. Thank you guys.